Hey, what's up? My name is Kelvin Elliott, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Icons. So first, what we're going to do is create a folder. And we're going to call it Google Icons. Open up our text editor. We're going to create a new file. We're going to save that file. We're going to call it index.html. And we're going to save it into the Google Icons folder that we just created. We're going to open up a new file. We're going to save that file. We're going to call it styles.css and save it in the Google Icons folder. We're going to create the boilerplate HTML code. Title, we'll call it Google Fonts, Icons, I'm sorry. And we need to get the link first from Google. So this Google Icons. Go down to the GitHub, the Material Icons guide. And what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down all the way down till we get to setup method 1. We're just going to copy this link right here. And we're going to put it right after the title. And then we're going to link our style sheet. In there. And then now we're going to start on the body. And just going to say some Google Icons. We're going to open that index file from the Google Icons folder so we can see that what we're actually doing. We want to create an I-tags, and the class attribute is going to be material icons, and then inside of the tags we just put what we want, cloud, and voila, there we have it. And just do the same thing over and over, but like for to show you different icons that they have. Material icons, I have a list already up. We'll say favorite at the favorite heart, and just do it over and over, the same class attribute. And we'll say attachment, create a little paper clip, and then just do the same thing over and over. I feel like typing it out. And say computer, a little laptop, and traffic. So you pretty much get the idea. Well, with that being said, you can also style them. So we'll say styled Google Icons. And we'll create cloud. Click another class on that to kind of distinguish the different ones. We'll copy this again. There's a cloud 2, cloud 3, and cloud 4. Make sure we render that. Okay, so we have the clouds up. Now we can style them. We'll use the cloud 1 class. Change the font size. It's recognized as text, so we can say 24 pixels. And look like nothing happened. Let's try cloud 2. We'll say font size 36 pixels. Yeah, it got bigger. And then cloud 3. So font size 48 pixels. And we'll change the color to red. You see the difference? And then you got the cloud 4. Font size, let's say 60 pixels. color, light blue, and voila, there it is. So pretty straightforward. I think these are much easier. You have different icons that different companies have, but I think Google icons is much easier because you just have to put the material icons class for all the attributes, and then just put inside the tags the keyword, I guess, for the specific icon you want to use, and then I just added my own classes on there to distribute the difference, well, distinguish the difference between each of the icons. So there you have it. I hope you found something useful for this video, and thanks for watching.